Okay, so the question was, how does the build plate raise? So this is the build plate on an HP. This cart will slide into the machine when you are ready to print. Other side. Ugh. So you just slide it in there. So this is where we make the actual build of the HPs. This metal piece is the build plate, and the powder is inside there, and there's a cap. When the printer is going, powder comes out of this little sieve right here, and then a roller lays a thin layer of powder on the build plate, sprays the two-dimensional image, and then this build plate lowers as more and more powder is built on top of it. So this actually drops down to the bottom of the build volume. Once you have a full build, you take it to the depowdering station. So this is the same cart, but now the build plate is at the bottom and all the powder is on top of it.
तेरा इंतजार करूं धीरे धीरे